Hello, in this video I'll show you how to create a really light, delicate open work stitch with some uncommon double stitches. Months ago I showed how to make the so-called double-sided yarn hour loop and I used it in my other videos. The way of knitting is unusual, but the result is stunning. At the bottom of the swatch, you see how it looks when knitted alone. And here you see how it looks when alternating with a stockinette stitch. The knitting pattern is 1 loop and 2 rows. It is knitted with a hook, thicker than usual. This one is number 6. We start from the wrong side. Row 1, wrong side. The thread is in front resting on the left hook. Pick it up with the right hook and make a yarn over loop. Now, you have a two-sided yarn over, on both the left and right hook. Knit the 2 stitches together through the back. Again, pick up the yarn with the right hook and make a double-sided yarn hour loop. Knit the 2 stitches together through the back. Pick up the yarn with the right hook and make a double-sided yarn hour loop. Knit the 2 stitches together through the back. Continue to knit in this manner until the end of the row. Row 2, right side, knit the loop and the yarn over together through the front. Again, knit 2 loops together through the front. Continue to knit in this manner until the end of the row. I've shown you a classy and elegant sectional knit that will add a rich touch to any knitted item. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations, and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate you all being here. Click the like button if you enjoy the video. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all of my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.